Hello. In this video, we are going to show you how our customers use the trend function to predict market behavior in the indexes. We have this function called trend last. This function provides two values, either rising trend or declining trend. This function analyzes the volume and price action over the past 60 days to generate a forward-looking prediction. For example, in this particular sheet, if you type in Microsoft, it shows that Microsoft is in a rising trend and is expected to remain in this trend for the foreseeable future unless the volume decreases or the price drops. It's a function of volume and price. Users can also apply this to a larger set of data. For instance, in this sheet, a user has created an NDX or QQQ equivalent. There are 100 symbols here, representing the index's constituents, and this column lists their weights. This tells you the trend of each particular stock going forward. Conditional formatting has been applied here. When the trend is declining, the cell turns red. Visually, you can see that out of the top 15 stocks, 4 are in a declining trend, while the remaining 11 are in a rising trend. The same data is also presented numerically. 11 stocks are advancing and 5 are declining among the top 15. Among the top 100, 45 are advancing and 55 are declining. This provides a numerical representation of the market or index's status for the day. This number here is a change times a weight. It essentially tells you the inflow and outflow of money in the index. Today, on a per unit basis, $540 have advanced, while $186 have been removed. Another user wanted to see the rising and declining trends with greater weight given to significant stocks like Nvidia and Microsoft, and lower weights to less significant stocks. For example, if Walgreens, with a weight of only 0.09 in the index, is declining, it is valued lower. This number here, 74, represents the sum if the trend is rising, while the sum for a declining trend is 24. This shows that 76 units are expected to advance in the next few days, while 24 units will decline. This provides a good indication of what to expect from the index in the next 1 or 2 days. This system runs daily at 8 p.m. Eastern. Most of our users run this in the evening or early morning to know what the market will do the following day and use this as one of their strategy tools. You can also keep a running total of market changes over time. Another user, for example, runs this daily and copies the column each day, creating a running total of market changes. For instance, Cisco Systems was in an uptrend on June 28th, shifted to a downtrend on July 1st, and then it flipped again. Similarly, Compass was in a downtrend, but has recently entered an uptrend. This feature allows you to track market behavior over time. This tool is very useful because it allows you to create your own metrics and use this data in your strategies. Thank you. And that's all for now. This version corrects grammar, punctuation, and